Welcome to KM's Celestial Journey, where mysteries of the universe unfold before your very ears. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what if what we're seeing out there isn't just stars, planets, or comets? What if something or someone is sending us a signal? Tonight's story isn't science fiction. It's a chilling, fascinating, and mind-bending report from astronomers that has left even NASA second-guessing its conclusions. In this episode, we dive deep into a discovery that is shaking the very foundations of astronomy. Imagine this, a massive object, blazing with its own mysterious light, racing across our solar system, not reflecting sunlight like a comet or asteroid should, but radiating as if it has switched on a set of cosmic headlights. This is not imagination, this is real, and it is happening right now. The object has been designated 3E Atlas. On paper, that may sound like a routine catalog entry, but what it represents could rewrite history. First detected earlier this year, 3E Atlas is roughly the size of Manhattan, or at least that's what initial measurements suggested. It streaks through the inner solar system with a trajectory unlike anything astronomers have comfortably explained. And as it races closer to our planetary neighborhood, questions are mounting. Questions so extraordinary that some scientists whisper, could this be proof of alien design? Let's rewind to July 21st. The Hubble Space Telescope captured an image of 3E Atlas, but instead of looking like a typical comet, with a hazy glow spread evenly as sunlight reflects off ice and dust, the picture revealed something far stranger. The glow was concentrated, bright, focused, and directed on the side facing the sun, almost as if the object wasn't passively reflecting sunlight, but producing its own. This single observation changed everything. One of the most vocal experts weighing in is Harvard astrophysicist Loeb. He's no stranger to controversy. You may remember his groundbreaking and heavily debated claims about Oumuamua, the cigar-shaped interstellar traveler spotted in 2017. Like that object, 3E Atlas doesn't behave like a natural comet. Loeb suggests the possibility that what we're seeing isn't sunlight bouncing back, but something akin to a car switching on its headlights. Think about that for a moment. Unlike normal comets, whose brightness diffuses the farther they travel, the light from 3E Atlas seems concentrated, sharply declining with distance, exactly the way an artificial beam would. And if this is true, NASA's classification of it as a massive comet, 12 miles long, may be dead wrong. Instead, Loeb and his colleague Eric Keto argue that it might be drastically smaller, perhaps only 300 feet in length. A huge discrepancy. But if size estimates are wrong, it could explain why telescopes are being tricked by the intensity of its light. And that opens up a much bigger question. What exactly is it? Some speculate it could be a fragment of a rare supernova core, dense, radioactive, glowing with the energy of the universe's most violent explosions. Others dare to ask whether it's something even more daring, a machine, a spacecraft, possibly powered by nuclear energy. Imagine this, a vessel that has traveled for eons across interstellar space, its engines glowing faintly, still alive. The dust it sheds? Not natural evaporation like comets, but debris it picked up along the way. Dirt clinging to its surface from light years of cosmic travel. It sounds like science fiction, and yet the evidence is resisting every conventional explanation. Even more unsettling is its path. 3E Atlas is not wandering randomly through our solar system. Its course takes it uncomfortably close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. Loeb points out that the statistical chance of a natural rock following such a precise trajectory is staggeringly low, less than 0.005%, almost as if the course were planned. Does this echo the strange behavior of Oumuamua? Absolutely. You might remember how that object accelerated as it left our solar system, without any gravitational push to account for it. No jets of gas, no cometary tail, just a silent, unexplained boost. Theories of an artificial origin were ridiculed at first. Now, with 3E Atlas, the same questions are resurfacing, louder than ever. The timeline makes this even more urgent. On December 17th, 3E Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth, passing within 17 million miles. In cosmic terms, That's shockingly near. Before that, in October, it will swing close to Mars. Loeb has urged NASA to use the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's high-powered camera to get a clear shot. And next spring, the Juno spacecraft orbiting Jupiter could also provide crucial images. If those images reveal a rock, we may finally rest easy. But if they reveal something else, history books will never look the same. And here's the twist. NASA still insists 3E Atlas is just a comet. But Loeb reminds us scientific agencies have been wrong before. Famously, Elon Musk's red Tesla Roadster, launched into space, was once misidentified by a telescope as an asteroid. If a car can be mistaken for a rock, who's to say an alien probe can't be mistaken for a comet? So where does that leave us? Right in the middle of one of the most captivating mysteries of modern astronomy. On one hand, you have NASA, urging caution, sticking to known science, labeling it a comet. On the other, you have open-minded researchers daring to question everything, suggesting nuclear engines, artificial light, even the fingerprints of an extraterrestrial civilization. As December approaches, all eyes are on this interstellar traveler. What secrets will it reveal as it races past Earth's cosmic doorstep? Will we confirm it's a natural fragment, born in the chaos of dying stars? Or will it turn out to be something our ancestors could only dream of? Let's not forget. In 2017, many scientists dismissed Oumuamua's oddities as coincidence. Yet years later, the debate rages on. The universe continues to surprise us, and perhaps, just perhaps, it is whispering clues that we are not alone. Think about the implications. If 3E Atlas is artificial, then somewhere out there exists a civilization capable of sending machines across light years of space. Technology so advanced that what we're observing is only a faint shadow of their power. For centuries, humanity has wondered if we're alone. With each discovery like this, the answer seems less certain. For now, the mystery deepens. We wait, we watch, and we wonder. This is KM's Celestial Journey, and you've just heard one of the most fascinating stories in recent years. A story that bridges science and imagination, fact and possibility. The cosmos is vast, unpredictable, and filled with wonders that challenge everything we think we know. Thank you for traveling with us through this cosmic mystery. If this story sparked your imagination, if it stirred your curiosity, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding journeys. The sky above us is full of secrets, and here we uncover them one by one. Stay curious, stay questioning, and until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.